Hello everyone, this is my video assignment. My name is Wang Jing. Today I will show you how will I solve the problems. First of all, let's see the first problem. This problem needs us to calculate the sum of A and B by the 2's complement number format. Let's write down the 2's complement number of A and B into the addition operation format first. And then we focus on the LSB of AB. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. As 1 to 1, we should put N1 as carry-in to the front bit. In a similar way, we can do the rest calculation step by step. After that, we observe the sign bit of A, B, and the result has the same sign bit 1, which means all the numbers are negative and the result is not overflow. So we can get the final result is 10111011. And then we can convert binary number to decimal number by this step to get the final decimal value is -69. As for the second problem, we need to review the Boolean algebraic theorems first. To find the representation of A XOR B, we're using the key map. And then we can get the sum of product representation of A XOR B equal to AB bar plus A bar B. In a similar way, we can get the representation of A XOR D. So we can exchange the A XOR B and the A XOR D in the original formula. Based on the distributive theorem, we can distribute the first step into this form. And then we can observe that the terms in the rectangle could be equal to 0 according to the principle of duality. We also find the terms with the underline could be simplified by the duality. That's how we simplify the third formula to the fourth formula. The terms with the underline in the fourth formula is simplified by the third formula. In the next step, we should combine the terms in the rectangles based on the absorption theorem, and then do the same operation for the terms in these two circles. The final answer should be the same as the formula as shown here. Let's see the third problem now. It is noted that this problem needs us to find the POS form, which means the product of sum. It is apparent to know that we need to use a key map to do this question. First of all, we draw the key map for the function based on the sum of product canonical form. We use value 1 for min terms and use cross for don't care terms. After drawing the key map, we should partition the map into groups. Because the question needs us to express the minimum of POS form, so we must include all the zeros in the map, but cross is optional. As shown is the simplest way to partition them into two groups, respect to the red rectangle and the blue rectangle. The last step, we need to write each group terms in the same color rectangles into POS form. For example, in the red rectangles, A is changed, C is changed, but B equal to 0 and D equal to 0. So we write down the representation of POS form B plus D. In a similar way, we can get the final answer of the blue rectangle is A bar plus D. Here is the last question. It is similar to the question 3. However, this question has a new variable e, and it needs us to find the SOP form. Because of the new variable e, we need to draw two key maps for a equal to 0 and a equal to 1. Just like question 3, we need to set all the value of minterms to 1. The only different thing is to find the location of minterms in two key maps. In the second step, To partition all ones into different groups is more complicated than the question 3. The first term we need to find is the one which just has one way to be partitioned into a group. The blue one in the left map and the yellow one in the right map are the one who can just be partitioned into group by one way, so we partition them first. Another rule for partition terms is to find the same groups in these two maps as more as possible. Based on this rule, we need to draw the yellow rectangle in the left map. So far, we only had the purple one and the red one as the rest one now. As for the purple one, it has two ways to group it. But if we partition it like what I do, it can be find the same group in the left map, so we consider this way first. For the same reason, we need to partition the red one into the green rectangle like this. And now, we need to conclude each group into SOP form. In the blue rectangle, D is changed and ABC is equal to 0 and E is equal to 1, so it becomes to A bar, B bar, C bar, E. As for the yellow rectangle, A and C is changed. BD is equal to 1 and E is equal to 0, so it becomes to BDE bar. Do the same operation for purple rectangle and green rectangle, we can get the final result. This is the end of my video assignment now. Thanks for your attention.